Get it, bestie. We're going to the beach.
Oh, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Yeah. Hello. Hello there. Hello. Ooh. Okay. Spontaneous trip to the beach, y'all. It's happening right now. I need deodorant so bad. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Just being here. Love you. Love that. So it's Saturday today, and my sister had to come and pick up her grill. My sister came over and had to pick up her grill, and just spontaneous was like, "You want to go with Auntie?" So Havila went with Auntie. That's where Havila is right now, with Auntie. She's been there for maybe like an hour or two already, but I think they're planning a cookout at their house in like a couple hours. But my husband was out in the yard cleaning, and he just was like, "Let's just go to the beach." And I said, "Okay." So that's what we're doing. Wearing on my sunscreen. Oh my god. But we're just going like dipping in and getting out. You know what I'm saying? We're not gonna stay there for a long time, I don't think. Oh girl. Oh man. Get the glow. Neutrogena. What is this? There you go. Read it for yourself. Ultra sheer something. That's where we're going. And I thought I'd film it because why not? I don't even think we're gonna take snacks or anything. I don't know what he's making right now, but we're just gonna go. And we're in Kapolei, so we're gonna go to, what is that, Aloha? Or Nimitz, or somewhere very close by. You know what I mean? Everywhere, honey, everywhere. Sheer, 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 sheer. Protect, girl, protect. The face. Just make sure you exhale. Okay. Behind the neck. And, oh, Jesus, girlfriend. And that's it. I'm just gonna go right like this. I'm not gonna pack another shirt, nothing. I'm just gonna come home, jump in the shower, and call it that. Oh, I will take a little bottle of, I'm gonna take a little thing of conditioner just to put in my hair after we get out of the water. Shampoo. Nope. I need conditioner, baby. Oh, I got the one from downstairs. I know, I'm just very not used to this, but I wanna start getting used to it because it's fun. The only reason why we're doing this is because baby's with my sister. And, yeah, period. So, ooh. We have clear gloss. I don't know what we'd need clear gloss at the beach for, but we'll just take it anyway. Alright, I'll see you in the car.
Get it, bestie. We're going to the beach. Hey, we're not going to be there for long, are we? It's 10 to 4.
At least stay there till like...
At least an hour.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe.
That's why I brought all that.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Why you bought all the boom box and the blanket and the chair? I'm like, we're just going to go and dip in and get out.
I wish I thought of it earlier.
Don't fall. Yeah, well, you were doing your gardening, so that's good. And put enough sunscreen on it, just sprayed that thing in my face. Yeah, so my sister came over with a purpose, but she ended up leaving with another purpose. It was just random. I started packing her bag, and they started loading her car seat into their car. Kane and I, we had a whole thing planned for the day. He was going to be outside, he was going to work the yard, and I was, you know, and this was with baby at home. Put her down for her nap and then work. He does stuff outside and I do stuff inside. But then they came and picked her up and she was completely gone, and then afterwards we were just like,
what do we do?
We didn't know what the heck to do with ourselves, so we sat there contemplating, oh, okay, so if you go outside, then I'll work. But I really just want to sit here because, you know, she's not here and we can just relax. And I sat there for a few minutes and I said, oh, see, isn't this nice? Just doing absolutely nothing. But then I ended up reading the rest of my book. Well, not the rest of the book, but my chapters for today, and I didn't finish last night's chapter. So finished that, and then he did school stuff. And then later, he ended up going outside in the yard, and I did a load of laundry, which I put in the dryer, by the way, so. We'll see where this random beach-going festivities and stuff ends, because I have no idea. It might end up with us picking up baby, or I don't know, it depends. I'm just going to go until the battery runs out. It's fully charged, so we shall see. This craziness. Crazy.
When I first met you then, thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch with that red jacket. We didn't say a word, who would have thought that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The the summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you here. The way you pull me in, your summer colors got me
We're back home. That was fast. I don't even think I got that much footage at the beach. But like I said, we only went there to dip in and dip out, and that's what we did. I gotta grab my charger. I got to grab my charger. I guess we're gonna go to my sister's house. No, not I guess. We are gonna go to my sister's house. And I'll take you guys along there too, because that's where baby is. And we're just having like a cookout kind of thing. So we ordered a bucket of chili from Zippy's and mac salad. No, we canceled the mac salad because it was too expensive. But then Kanye wants mac salad now, so I think we're just gonna pick it up on the way. And yeah, that was really good. I thanked him for being spontaneous and just saying, let's just go. What? Ooh! Get used to it!
Get used to it.
Oh, brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
You brush your teeth with my toothbrush, so your mouth will like my mouth.
Oh, negative.
So if you smell anything, you smell.
Because you know why? Because I use mouthwash afterwards. That's why.
Where's this mouthwash that you said to use?
Bingo!
Why are you?
Oh, there it is. My conditioner. I never even use them. The conditioner that I was gonna use. Excuse me.
Hello.
Mickeys. Right. Pow. Now, gotta go to Zips and grab the chili. Let's stay like this. On our way. Thank you. Picking up the food. Now. Sink. Cupcakes. Not cupcakes? Yeah, cupcakes. She made 10 months yesterday, so we're gonna celebrate a little bit. Just a little bit. What did you get, Daddy? Oh, right here. Oh, those look yummers. So excited to see my baby. I'm also very hungry because I already ate. What did we eat? Oh, we only ate what we ate this morning, huh, babe?
Are we upstairs in the garage?
In the garage. In a garage. I guess I'll play with my hair. What time is it? 5:50. Period. There is everybody. There she is. Hi. No, baby. Who the heck is that? Oh, it's a little Johnny. Oh, do I know you from somewhere? Hi, my wide angle. I just walk away. Hi. Look at you. What's up? You just up and left. You just packed a bag. You just left.
I don't know where this thing came from.
Wednesday.
Did I trade in that with
What is this?
What is that?
Ice in your veins.
Which means?
You got that drip. You're just saucy.
Which means?
Yeah, hello.
I'm cool.
What are you doing here? Stop it. At the bottom.
Oh! They're on the backhoe. The tractor. Cool. Sunset. You go upstairs and see it.
You're so funny.
Put it in there if you don't want to do it.
Not on the furniture.
Honey bunny.
Not on the bed either.
This is the old school. Let's see if I can do it.
You have to put your head back. Now go from underneath. And you can't do it the other way.
Oh, there.
Here.
Did it.
Oh, that's cute.
Kind of cute.
Oh,
Wait, it looks like bangs.
it does.
Like, sorry. But girl, I'm just gonna go hang out outside. Period.
Oh, she's.
Be careful with her. Okay. Nos veo. Hi. Hi. Don't get this foot. This hairstyle's not gonna work.
Huh?
Are you coming in or going out?
I'm going.
Okay, let's go. It's Monty Cam.
It's May Day, folks.
This is
First of May.
1/3 of a cup. 1/3 of a cup.
Hello, how are you? Hi,
She
baby.
said, I got 1/4 and 1/3 of a cup. Yeah?
Yum,
Ready?
baby.
Candy, 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 candy. Candy, 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 candy. Wow, it's 10 to 7 and the sun is still up. Summertime, babies.
Oh, it's summertime. Hi, my honey bunny. Candy, 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 candy.
Happy birthday.
Fuzzy, fuzzy. I'm a honey, honey bunny. I do.
All
I
right, a
do.
quick cup of
Sorry.
coffee. And then get out of town and
Oh,
finish.
so me and Cole were like, because we always make fun of each other, like, you smell like Shrek, you smell like this. And Cole was like, you smell like Isma. I was like, oh yeah, you smell like Pacho.
Oh, thank you, babe. Here, let's trade.
Mr.
Oh, it's hot.
Hi, Novelle. Novelle. Hi, baby. Hi, Dad.
How?
Candy, 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 candy.
Alright guys, I'm about to show you my ukulele. Oh my god, I can't keep my hair like this, sorry. When did Grandpa buy this for me? I can't remember. I think it was your age when he bought it for me. I think it's way older than 12 years. Oh my god, this is my dad's tuner. When the kukuma hear it, she's gonna go off now.
Oh, this is I
Huh?
What are these buttons for? What are they?
Record, take a photo, zoom in, zoom out.
I want to take a photo.
There. I just took a photo. Yeah. Is it on up?
I love this. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, pink fork. Let me add. Yum.
Hey, Allah. Coffee over there.
We actually never, they never eat over there.
Wow.
Me too. Me too. Just like.
Too good, the cinder blocks for tables. Steak and salad, rice and chili. Ooh, that's a big bite. Is it good? What you got, Loya? Okay. Go, wait. Yeah. Yummy. Get it, girl. What? Get it, girl. Hey. What's love? Hey.
Ooh, I saw that dip. Oh, I was supposed to say, don't throw away the pink forks. No, I put mine in the sink.
I did.
Was it the hot pink or the light pink? Which pink are you getting?
Period.
What?
So what you got? Oh my god.